Good day to you, my trading friends. It's day 2 of this week for trading, and here we are with the cherry bomb. And wouldn't you know, it's our second day of oil trades in a row. So I'm curious to see how this is going to work. I wonder what how you feel about this, because we have 2 opposing trades in consecutive days. So today's trade, instead of being bearish on oil, will be bullish on oil. It's not the same underlying. It's Exxon Mobil, which has 4 drops of liquidity, so therefore 4 ranks, 4 out of 4 for liquidity, and its IV rank is 8. So we are looking at, debit spreads, but will it be possible for both of these to be profitable for us? And I say yes, but some things to look at. So why don't we look at them, shall we? Hi everybody, my name is Neil and this is Option Theory, and I do want to thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I'm down here in the bottom left corner, and you can see we've got our futures on the left side. We've got on screen, we've got the chart for Exxon Mobil. And I also want to point out that we're in simulated trading here. So this is what I call our flight simulator. If you'd like to learn and practice your mechanics, then stick around to the end. I'll tell you how you can join us and get the emails that we get, because I said that cherry bomb, right? We'll tell you more about that at the end, but I want to get moving for those of you that are returning viewers. Yesterday we put on a trade. It was a non-cherry bomb trade. It was in USO, and we've made about 13% of our max profit. And it does look like the crude oil futures are down for overnight trading. However, when I woke up this morning, which believe it or not is actually earlier than now, I don't get up in a shirt and tie kind of a thing. But it was down almost 1%. So it seems to be coming back a little bit right now. So should it be the kind of thing that I take whatever profit I get now? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to do that just yet. 13% in one day is not horrible, right? But it might get erased today. Well, we'll see. But let's look at this chart real fast. You see how we have this little bowl here? Some might say cup and handle. I don't really see the handle that much. But I do see this run up, for sure, a run up. And I wonder, is this the beginning of a down? Which would be great for my other trade. Not so great if I get bullish on this one. But I think we would continue maybe in the next 31 days. See this go up a little bit. Let's see what happens. Could go up a lot. Who knows? Who knows? With this pipeline issue, is it gonna make things worse for oil or make things better? I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead and go to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the June 11th weeklies, according to the Cherry Bomb trade, with 31 days to expiration. As of today, remember, it's May 11th, 2021. I know sometimes some people see my old school TOS coloring and they think this is some old video. It's not. I just like the old school colors. I think it stands out better on a screencast, don't you? All right. So we're looking at buying the 61 call and selling the 63 call here for a $2 wide, spending 94 cents, which is less than $1, which means usually the probability stinks. So the email that we got shows us getting probabilities of profit of 52 and a P50 of 72. Well, I'll tell you what, I plugged this same trade into Tastyworks as I do every day to help add additional value so that, you watch these videos. But I got a pop right now of 46 and a P50 of 61. So that could be as a result of the downward movement in crude oil futures overnight. Who knows? But yeah, so it's not as good probabilities. And let's confirm that, of course, by going to our risk profile here in Thinkorswim. Make sure your date in the top right corner matches the date you see in turquoise in the bottom left corner. So that's June 12th. And I've got my price slice set to break even at expiration. In case you're new, right, you go down over here to these little 3 lines here, go to set slices, choose break even, and then choose the turquoise, which is the expiration date. And now we're looking at a 45.5, which I guess rounds up into 46% to match what we see in Tastyworks. So a 46%, 45% probability of profit on this one, with a 61% probability of being able to walk away with, let's call it, $53. That sounds pretty nice. Not amazing. I will put this trade on for sure, because, hey, at this point, it's possible to potentially profit in both, because maybe oil moves down short term. I'll take whatever I can get in the USO trade from yesterday, close that one, and maybe it rallies back. So remember, even though they're two opposing trades, it doesn't mean you have to lose in both. You could, totally could, right? All right, I'm going to go ahead and right-click this trade, choose confirm and send, so we can review our profit potential and our potential loss, because we never go in blind. We can make the $106 at expiration if this closes with both of the strikes being in the money, but we would do tasty trade mechanics here, which is close it at 50% or manage it at 21 days to expiration. So we could lose the $94 we pay for it. It is defined risk, so you can sleep at night. So it's nice. You can get a exposure to an oil underlying for $94, right? Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and hit send and put that into our working orders. And of course, I never hide what's going on here in my simulated portfolio, which I'll talk about in just a moment. You can see what we got going on here. Twitter is still just dropping like it's hot. All right, some of these SPAC trades not working out so great either. I don't have any iron condors right now. There's the USO trade from yesterday. Like I said, $13. That was nice. Here's another one of those SPAC. I think that's a SPAC. I don't remember this one. ARC. Right. This was another earnings trade that was that a long call? It was a long call. Remember, I was doing the long call trades on Mondays. Yeah, not liking it. Not a strategy I would really do, but we're putting it to the test. All right. Thanks so much for watching. And I do want to tell you, hey, if you'd like to join us, this is where we use our flight simulator. Maybe you're thinking about trading. Maybe you are a trader already, but you just need a place to practice, get trade ideas sent to you, and see if you can just follow a simple system. Well, that's what you can do here. Head on down to the description. You'll find a link to sign up for Tasty Trade's Cherry Bomb email list. You go on over there, you sign up for any of their email lists. They're not spam. They're all great research, great ideas. And we put on those trades using Thinkorswim's simulated trading platform. When you're done doing that, come on back and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you'll get notified when these trade videos come out, which we try to do 5 days a week, right? So you're not alone here. All right. If you think I've earned a thumbs up, would you hit that thumbs up button for me? I do appreciate that. And if you leave me a comment with your fill price, if you put on this trade, I will definitely give you a thumbs up too. Thank you so much for your views. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb trade, everyone. Until then, may the market be with you.